Let's talk about some surprising ways you can get started using Vitex. So Vitex is also known as chasteberry and is most commonly used to support hormonal balance, especially in women's health. It's also used for fertility and also used for helping to combat PMS, but it does have a couple of surprising alternative benefits that you probably did not know, and a couple of ways you can use it differently. Now, the first way is in skincare. Vitex has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that's really beneficial for the skin health. You can start to incorporate Vitex in extract or powder form and make your own skincare homemade products. We've got facial masks, serums, and creams. All these help to soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and help to promote overall skin health. The second way to use Vitex is in hair care, and it's believed to support hair health, and it actually may help to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. You can start by doing a DIY hair rinse or even a hair mask using Vitex extract as the main ingredient. Alternatively, you could also use a strong Vitex infusion, as in like a tea, to nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and improve overall hair texture as well as the shine. The third type of way is as a natural insect repellent, because Vitex in itself has a natural insect repelling property that can help to deter mosquitoes as well as other insects. You can start by making a homemade insect repellent spray using Vitex essential oil, dilute it in water or in a carrier oil, apply it to the skin before outdoor activities to really keep these bugs at bay. Remember to do a skin test patch in order to determine that you are not allergic from it, and also don't spray it or apply it on sensitive areas of the skin. Number 4 on the list is herbal bath. Now, you can add Vitex extract or dried Vitex leaves to your bath water. This will really create a relaxing and aromatic herbal bath experience. And Vitex infused baths are also known to help in soothing sore muscles, promoting relaxation, and providing relief from menstrual cramps or PMS symptoms. Number 5 is aromatherapy, and if you can get your hands on some pure Vitex essential oil, this has a pleasant and floral aroma that can be used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and uplift the mood. You can also infuse Vitex essential oil in aromatherapy diffuser or humidifier, and you add a few drops to a warm bath to enjoy its wonderful benefits. Easiest and simplest way to use Vitex is to make yourself a herbal tea blend. So Vitex is commonly used in capsules or tinctures, but you can also incorporate it in a beautiful homemade herbal tea blend. You combine dried Vitex berries or leaves and other herbs like peppermint, chamomile, and lemon balm to create a wonderful soothing and hormone balancing herbal tea. I've also shared 3 recipes before on the channel, linked in the description box below this video, that goes on to talk about different herbal blends to make Vitex tea with. The 7th type of way to use Vitex is in gardening, whether that's indoor gardening or outdoor gardening. Now, Vitex plants can also be grown in gardens as ornamental shrubs or even as flowering trees. They have a wonderful aesthetic appeal, and the Vitex plant also attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, makes a beautiful addition to your garden. Lastly, we have a natural dye. Now, the berries of the Vitex, when used fresh, they can be used as a natural dye to color fabrics as well as yarns. Start by simmering the dried Vitex berries in water, and you can even use fresh as well. This really helps to extract the pigments and use the resulting dye bath to color the textiles in shades ranging from pale lavender to deep blue.